Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: a hair dryer or heat gun on low, a plastic scraper, and rubbing alcohol. First, warm a 3-4 inch area for 15 to 30 seconds so the vinyl softens. Don't overheat the frame. Then, using your fingernail or scraper, lift one corner and begin to peel at a 45 degrees angle. Once the edge catches, keep constant heat and steady pressure. This prevents tearing and reduces residue, so you remove large sections cleanly and efficiently. Once done with the initial lift, continue in controlled 4 to 6 inch sections. Reheat, lift, and peel consistently. You'll find that vinyl often tears if you rush. When that happens, pause and apply rubbing alcohol to the edge to soften glue, then resume. Use a plastic scraper to get under stubborn corners. Make sure to keep the tool flat to avoid gouging. If adhesive builds up, blot with alcohol and rub gently with a microfiber cloth until the tack is gone. You finish by cleaning the glass with a quality glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining film and oils. Wipe in overlapping passes. If sticky residue persists, apply a small amount of mineral oil or a dedicated adhesive remover, wait 1 minute, then wipe away. Make sure to reheat and go slow rather than forcing the film. Troubleshooting tip: if adhesive still won't budge, carefully use a single-edge razor held flat at 1 to 2 degrees, but only on plain glass, not painted frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.